Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use low net on your laptop. Many applications and system processes consume data in the background, even when you are not actively using them. A key step is enabling a metered connection for your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This tells your operating system to reduce data usage by limiting automatic updates and background app activity, saving you valuable megabytes. For Windows users, you can significantly reduce data by managing background apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps. Here, you can disable background permissions for individual applications. Also, check your Windows Update settings under Advanced Options to pause or limit automatic downloads, especially over metered connections. Uninstalling unused apps also helps. If you are on a Mac, enabling low data mode is a great option. Navigate to System Settings, then Wi-Fi, click Details next to your connected network, and toggle on Low Data Mode. This reduces background network usage for that specific connection. Additionally, check General Settings, then Login Items to disable apps and processes running automatically in the background. Beyond operating system settings, your web browser can also be a data hog. Many browsers offer a data saver or compression feature in their settings, which can reduce the amount of data downloaded. Try to avoid streaming high-quality videos when on a limited plan. Regularly check your laptop's data usage overview to pinpoint which applications are consuming the most data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.